Hey there guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you a recipe I very much enjoyed. As you can see, you don't need a lot of ingredients for it, but it is a little bit of effort, so let's get into it. You want to take some sugar in a pan and you want to put that on medium heat. You want to add a pinch of salt into that and then your coconut milk. You want to heat this up and stir until it is completely combined. And then you want to take this off the heat and you want to go ahead and add in your eggs and then just mix really well. When this is combined completely, you're ready to pour it into little tins. And then you want to take a casserole and you fill it with hot water to the point that the hot water doesn't get into your tins. You want to go ahead and put these little tins in there, and then you want to put that into the oven with 160 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. Meanwhile, you want to take another pan and you want to put some butter in there, as well as a little bit of sugar, and then you want this to caramelize. So you want to make sure that you're stirring it so it doesn't get burnt, and you want to wait for this to turn slightly brown. And when you're happy with it, you want to pour in the juice. And you want to be careful because this gets very hot and quite dangerous, so don't get yourself burnt. And you just want to slowly keep stirring until the sugar is completely dissolved. Just like that. Then you can go ahead and add the raspberries in there, and you wanna let them melt and make sure that they have cooked once. Now you want to try to separate the juice from the harder bits of the raspberry, so you get a nice sauce. And if you wait a little bit, you can eat the rest of the raspberries. Now you want to let everything cool down completely, and then you can get these little puddings out, and you want to drizzle the sauce right on top of that, and you're ready to serve them and enjoy. And as I said, I think they tasted very well. You definitely need the sauce. It adds a lot of flavor and it's just such a nice dessert, so I hope you give it a try. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye!